Hello, what is up mga ma'am, sir, ma'am? Ako po si Ralph Cifra, isang visual artist from Manila, Philippines, and today we are going to unbox and review the Marvel Legends Spider-Man na Maximum Series from Marvel Legends. So ito yung back of the box and we have the front of the box. Maganda tong ginawa nila sa Maximum Series na style ng packaging. It's a almost full window na type of packaging na makikita mo na lahat ng accessories, ng appearance ni Spider-Man before you buy it. Okay? And out of the box, sobrang solid ni Spider-Man. Wala naman siya mga loose na joints, and very nice sculpt and paint application. Yung paint application niya sa upper part, dyan ito yung red na part sa shoulders hanggang sa chest, middle of the chest hanggang dito sa waist, and then dito sa gloves na area. And then dito sa boots niya, ganun din, red area, and then the rest dark blue. Tapos na notice ko rin dito, very sharp yung lines, yung line work. Wala naman siyang mga interconnected lahat ng mga web lines. Kasi may nakita akong photo dati na dito merong nakaskip, hindi siya nakakonect, mga disconnected na lines. Ngayon lahat, tinitingnan ko naman, interconnected naman siya lahat and magkakadugtong. Okay, we have the very large na eyes, tapos yung eyes niya merong black border, meron ding Spider-Man logo, mas malaki yung Spider-Man logo dito, and also you have the Spider logo sa back na red. And then yung sculpt niya, same, it's a very nice sculpt. Yung muscle definition nakikita din. You have the ribs, side muscles, the stomach, the chest, very pronounced, the biceps, tsaka yung legs. Yung in-equip ko sa kanya rito yung hands na merong shoot na mga web effects. Yung sa right niya medyo shorter, yung sa left hand niya mas mahaba. Okay, in terms of articulation, head up, look up, whoa, taas, down, twist, tilt, left and right. Okay, medyo mahal nga lang to magkano ba kuha ko dito, parang 3K, 3.2, parang 3.2 ata PO price. Tapos butterfly joints, okay, like that. Arms can move up that far. Okay, twist yung arms, double jointed elbow. Meron din pala ditong articulation sa part na to. Kasi pwede rin matanggal to Pwede niyang palitan ng ibang accessories. Okay, ball joint yung kamay, you can move in and out. Tapos sa kanyang torso, you can bend, stretch. Meron twist dito. Okay. Kung medyo nahirapan kayo mag-rotate, pwede kayong gumamit ng blower. Okay? Stretch that far, ab crunch that far. Okay, tapos kick that far. Pwede nyo i-pull down to para mas mataas yung articulation. Tapos meron ditong thigh cut for thigh rotation. Double jointed na knee, and you also have a cut dito sa may shin, lower leg area. Tapos itong paa, nice, that's cool. Tapos meron din to articulation. So ball joint din ba to? Ayan, naiikot din siya. Okay. And be very careful lang sa pag-rotate ng mga joints, kasi baka syempre pag bago pa si Spider-Man, medyo stiff pa talaga yung mga joints niya. Kaya ang ginagawa ko, pinapainit ko muna using a hair blower. Ito. Para mag-loosen up yung mga joints using heat. Huwag masyadong tutok huwag masyadong mainit. Baka naman malusaw yung plastic. So ganun lang yung ginagawa kong technique. Usually iba hot water technique para malusen up talaga yung mga joints niya. Pero I think yung hair blower okay na yun for me. Sa mga accessories niya, sobrang dami. You have the web shield, another web effect. Tapos ito, yung mas mahabang web effect niya. Yan Parang siyang sort of strings. And then this one is a web shooting effect na pwede mong ikabit sa stand. Meron din siyang alt head. Ganun. Ano bang difference nito? Mas malaki yung black border around the eyes. And mas naka-squint siya. I think this is an angrier version ng face niya. And also we have Peter Parker's face. Yan, mas close up. Face sculpt. Very nice. Ganda ng sculpt ng hair. Also, you have glossy eyes. Medyo ano siya dito, very bright looking face, and nakasmile siya. So, he's very happy. Okay, tapos, dito pa yung marami niyang effects. Ang daming alt hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 na alt hands. 10 in total. Kasi meron pang ganito. Yung merong silver part and yung kanyang hands na walang Spider-Man suit. Meron din siyang spider sense na effect na pwede mo ilagay din dito sa kanyang head. So yun mga ma'am sir, that's it. Yun ang ating review na ating Spider-Man Maximum series. Sobrang angas. Ayan ang next na try natin to i-post. Alright, there you go. This is the Spider-Man Maximum series na action figure. This is very very cool. Pwede nyong gawin yung mga poses na ganito. Sobrang angas ng figure na to. And if you want to buy these, I think merong mga nagbenta around 3,000 pesos. Ito na, I think ito na yung isa sa pinakamahal ng Marvel Legends na Spider-Man. Aside, yung mga meron din maximum series na Hulk, so we'll get that too and we'll customize that too, okay? So yun lang mga ma'am sir, this is a very very nice addition sa inyong Spider-Man Marvel Legends collection. Thank you very much for watching and see you sa next video. Bye bye.